A lot colder out there this morning than it was yesterday at this time. Really going to notice a difference, right, Michelle?
You know, yesterday the high temperature for the day 50 was actually at midnight. So at this time yesterday, we were still in the 40s. Well, compare that to this morning when we're in the teens and 20s. It's pretty frigid out there, especially with the wind chill. And we'll talk more about those numbers. But this right now is the actual air temperature. 19 in Smithfield, 22 in Providence, 24 in Newport right now. Westerly's at 22. Right outside our studios, we're in the upper teens. It's 23 in New Bedford. Those frigid winds will be adding to the chill this morning. If you're out and about, you need to dress for the wind chill, which is running as low as 5 to 10 degrees at times this morning. Dry skies expected over the next few days right into the start of the weekend. It does look milder by late weekend. We're talking by Sunday afternoon, temperatures will be climbing up into the lower 50s in spots. There'll be a big change from this morning. Here are the wind chills, 7 above in Providence. It feels like 11 in New Bedford, 11 in Boston, 10 the wind chill in Smithfield, 2 in Worcester, and the wind chill 12 right now in Westerly. The winds coming in from the west-southwest. Sustained right now at 18 miles an hour in Providence, 13 in New Bedford, so gusting at times up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. We are dry and expecting to stay that way throughout the daytime. Really, we're not alone. The entire nation here gripped by the cold. It's starting to ease a little bit up through the deep south, and we'll continue to track that. But Atlanta right now at 21 degrees, even Orlando, Florida at 42. We're in the teens still for Buffalo and much of New England in the 20s. You get that very cold air coming in, and while the air is dry, when it flows over the relatively milder lake waters of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie, you get those narrow lake effect snow bands, and that's certainly what they've been dealing with outside of Buffalo and South Buffalo, where as much as 5 to high amounts on the forecast end would be 7 feet of snow. Now, I am seeing signs of this starting to lift a little bit, and that's what our computer models are showing. So you get a little bit of relief here as the day goes on today in the Buffalo area, but it may be temporary. We've got more lake effect snow in the forecast as we head into, especially late in the week. We'll get another burst of cold air. Locally, this is at 11 o'clock tonight, increasing clouds through the night. Not nearly as cold when you wake up tomorrow morning, where temperatures will stay in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And tomorrow afternoon, as the skies clear out, we'll be into the 40s for highs. Watch what happens, though, in Buffalo. More lake effect snow. Now, it may set up outside of the area that got hit hard with this latest batch, but as cold air comes in over the waters later Thursday into Friday, they'll likely see some additional lake effect snow over the Great Lakes, which is typical this time of year, not to the extent that they've been seeing it, breaking records in South Buffalo here over the last couple of days. 34 in Lincoln this afternoon. It'll be cold compared to that average high. We're not going to break records here either, but about 36 in Riverside, Cranston at 36, 35 at Garden City. Along the coast, our temperatures today in the mid and upper 30s. Winds turn to the southwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. So I think the strongest wind gusts will be this morning. About 33 in Burrillville, 34 in Woonsocket. And the temperatures with that winter feel, mostly sunny skies, mid to upper 30s for Fall River and in New Bedford. Here's the 7-day Futurecast. Notice the difference overnight tonight, only falling a few degrees from this afternoon down to about 30. Mid 40s for tomorrow, partly sunny skies. We're dry and chilly Friday and again on Saturday. And then we warm up, and significantly so for a Sunday afternoon near 52. There is a chance of a shower or two on Sunday. Most likely will happen Sunday night, though. Monday looks like a day where we'll be tracking some rain showers at a temperature near 60 and could see a lingering shower into Tuesday as well of next week. It's busy travel week next week. This is leading up to that Thanksgiving holiday for you, so we'll be keeping you updated on the weather.